How to download MetaTrader 4 on PC Windows 11. I know a lot of you guys want to start trading online, so in this video I'm going to teach you how you can get started. How to download MetaTrader 4 on PC Windows 11. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to type in gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/11/m4.html and you want to hit enter. Once the site loads, you want to scroll all the way down and you want to press on this right here, and it's going to redirect you to MetaTrader's website. From here, you want to press on this right here, and it's going to start downloading MetaTrader 4. How to download MetaTrader 4 on laptop. Once it's done installing, this is what you can see on your computer. You want to press on it, you want to press on yes, and it's going to start installing on your computer. From here, you just want to press on next, and it's going to start installing on your computer. After it's done installing, it's going to automatically bring you to this page right here. You just want to register with your email and you want to open up MetaTrader on your computer. How to download MetaTrader 4 on PC 2025. As you can see, MetaTrader 4 is now up and running on my computer. This is what it's going to look like. You can see the charts going up and down. So that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, join the Discord down in the description.